Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wrapped up a vlog and I'm starting a new one. I hope you guys are doing well. Just did my lashes today and I cannot just stop looking at it. Looks so good, feels so good. And right now I'm about to edit a video. No, not true. Right now I'm about to eat something which I don't know yet. I'll find what to eat and chill on the bed. Obviously just gonna eat and chill and just rest, watch movies, and yeah, we'll see whatever happens in this vlog. I just wanted to start this vlog for starting sake. Bye. Hi guys, today is Sunday, so we just came back from church and I was like, I haven't even picked up my camera to vlog like in a long while, aside the one I did what did I do? Okay, I think when I was setting up my monitor, I don't know if I showed that, but it's all set up right here, and this is my laptop. It's such a cute setup space at this moment. I just wanted to show you guys. Anyway, actually, I'm about to sleep. That's the truth. Good thing is tomorrow is a holiday, a public holiday here in Canada. It's called Family Day. All I know is it's a holiday. I'm happy. I'm going to rest, you know. At least this coming week is just be a 4-day work week. So yeah, I'm going to sleep now. Oh yeah, I went out yesterday. I didn't even remember. I went out yesterday. Went to Captain's Boil. And it was nice. I like the food. Like, I know I tried that before in one of my vlogs with Shugumi, my friend. I just showed a little clip there, but this time we actually went to the place. The first time I tried it, and you know, my friend ordered it and then we ate, but this time we went to the place actually, and I like the food. Like this time it was like a platter. I think I showed the part I went, or whatever I recorded when I went. I didn't take my camera. I just took my phone and I recorded some parts of it. If I'm breathing fast, I'm just like tired and I'm kind of sleepy as well. So but yeah, it was a nice time. The food was nice. I like the food, and my skin is really, it's looking very nice. It's looking very nice. I'm still using the St. Ives stain, and I really do like it. I know I've been saying skincare routine coming soon, but it's actually coming soon. Anyway, let me stop talking now. I'll see you guys. I'll probably record something tomorrow. I don't know. Whenever anything else is happening, I would, you know, record and let you guys know. For now, I'm just going to sleep. I'll see you guys later. How you guys doing? I'm just here to close out the vlog. I'm loving this my new like home office setup thing, and I'm actually going to do like a home office tour, if that's what it's called, because I love the table, I love the chair, it's comfortable, it's just amazing. I'll talk about it more in detail like in that video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video so much. Please make sure you subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. If you have video suggestions, let me know. I know I'm actually owing my people that watch my videos for like Canada content. I know I'm owing like that type of video, but it's coming very soon. Don't worry, just give me some time. And my laptop cover, I'm in love with it. It's so cute. Like, it's really cute. I got this off Amazon. I'll talk about it more in detail in that my home office store when I'm done with the things I want to get for this space. I'll talk about it then, but I just love everything I got. It's just so beautiful. Anyway, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.